In this no-holds-barred video, I'm going to unleash the YouTube algorithm strategies that 99% of creators are completely overlooking, and how you can immediately implement them to predictably grow your channel, attract an unstoppable flow of new viewers, and unlock consistent monetization. It's the secret YouTube algorithm playbook that the 1% of successful creators are using to consistently generate massive engagement and revenue. And I'll reveal it all to you, right here, right now. Hello creators, I'm Daniel, and you're welcome to the Passive Income Ninja channel. In part 1 of this definitive YouTube algorithm playbook, we examined the core intelligence behind YouTube's recommendations and proved how the algorithm is now on easy mode for new creators, while we debunked the biggest algorithm myths and revealed how YouTube precisely learns viewer intent in part 2. Now in this concluding part 3, we will unleash the 7 powerful, actionable strategies you need to consistently get your content in front of millions of ideal viewers. All right, people, you now understand how the algorithm operates in 2025, so it isn't just theory. This is your actionable playbook to optimize your content for consistent growth. Here are 7 ways this often misunderstood matchmaker will actively recommend your content to your ideal viewers. But a quick heads up. There's one critical mistake most creators make when applying these strategies, and I'll reveal it later in the video, so stick around. Number 1, as a creator, you should obsess over your audience, not the algorithm. YouTube says it. Our algorithm doesn't focus on videos, it focuses on viewers. Find your Goldilocks zone. Create content that is niche enough to build a dedicated, loyal community, but has enough adjacent appeal for broader discoverability. Systematic content ideation. Build your competitor database. Go beyond your direct rivals. Who else is serving parts of your audience effectively? Analyze their most successful videos and take what is necessary. Identify outlier topics. Which themes or specific videos consistently crush it for your competitors? Look for patterns in their high-performing content. Discover winning formats. What are the trending video styles, structures, or storytelling approaches that drive engagement? Is it a journey video, building in public, or a specific tutorial format? Combine and innovate. Take a proven topic, combine it with a winning format, and then add your unique perspective or personality. Think of the Mr. Beast example, applying hyper-engaging formats to diverse topics. Here's a camouflage for beginners. If you're just starting or pivoting, initially aim to make your titles, thumbnails, and editing style align with what's already working successfully for established creators in your niche. This helps YouTube categorize you and attract the right early audience. For example, you might analyze how a small creator effectively camouflaged their early videos to match successful outliers, helping them gain initial traction. Number 2, master the hook. The first 5 to 15 seconds are critical. This is non-negotiable. Clearly state the video's value, present a compelling question, or show a tantalizing sneak peek of what's to come. Avoid long intros, logos, or rambling. Every second counts. Imagine starting a video about how to grow your YouTube channel in 2025, and you hear the presenter say, "In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to reveal the single biggest algorithm shift of 2025 that 99% of creators are missing, and how you can use it to double your subscribers by next month." Versus another video about the exact same topic that says, "Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me again, and today we're going to talk about YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification." Which one will you click off? I don't know about you, but I'll bolt on the second video. Why? Because the first one immediately reassures me I clicked on the right video, promises immense value, and creates an urgent curiosity gap. The second one just wastes my precious first few seconds. This is how your viewers are making decisions every single second. Number 3, optimize for watch time, retention, and engagement. This is where the magic of editing truly shines. Your goal is to keep the viewer's brain constantly stimulated. To keep the pace moving, eliminate every single instance of dead air or filler. If a sentence can be shorter, make it shorter. If a pause is too long, cut it out. This isn't about rushing, but about valuing your viewers' time.
Learn how to employ pattern interrupts. Think of your viewers' attention as a muscle that fatigues. Every 10 to 15 seconds, you need to hit them with something fresh. This is where jump cuts, B-roll footage, on-screen text highlighting key points, dynamic graphics, and even simple changes in camera angles become your secret weapons. These elements reset viewer attention, preventing their minds from wandering. For instance, imagine you're explaining the best way to prune a rose bush. On one screen, you'd have a static shot of yourself talking to the camera for 3 minutes straight, explaining the steps. Now imagine the alternative. You start by talking, then jump cut to a close-up of your hands demonstrating a specific cut, then B-roll of a perfectly pruned rose bush appears as you describe the ideal outcome. Next, on-screen text pops up with key tip, cut at a 45-degree angle. Then back to you, perhaps from a slightly different angle, continuing the explanation. The video that's constantly providing fresh visual information clearly holds attention longer. Keeping the viewer engaged, this is the power of deliberate pacing and pattern interrupts. They transform a monologue into a dynamic conversation that the algorithm and your audience will reward. Storytelling and clear structure, even using YouTube chapters, simply give viewers more reasons to stick around and absorb your value. Number 4. Harness shorts for explosive growth. Shorts are your discovery engine. They're the fastest, most effective way for new viewers to find your channel. Utilize shorts to hook new viewers and strategically funnel them to your long-form content. End shorts with a strong call to action, reminding viewers to watch the full video here, then place the link in comments or on end screen. Create quick teasers or behind-the-scenes shorts. Be sure to monitor the shorts metrics. Focus on viewed versus swiped away, high percentage viewed, and replays. Make them loop seamlessly. Double down on what works. Number 5. Harness AI's deeper understanding. Optimize everything. From your titles, descriptions, and tags are your entry ticket, especially for search. But remember, AI now sees your thumbnail, analyzes your script from transcript, and understands your video tone. Make your thumbnails and titles stand out. Make them clickable, but honest. Misleading titles lead to quick bounces, which the algorithm hates. Use clear, legible text on thumbnails. Number 6. Build a thriving community. Engage, engage, engage. Reply to comments, ask questions, run polls on your community tab. Strong community signals to YouTube that your channel is valuable and fosters loyalty. Strategically collaborate with other creators, especially those in complementary niches, not just to share subscribers. You're not just reaching new audiences, you're also creating cross-channel engagement signals that YouTube recognizes. These partnerships suggest broader interest in your content sphere and can lead to powerful surges in discovery and audience migration. Look for creators whose audience would naturally resonate with yours, ensuring a win-win for both channels and a clear signal to the algorithm. Number 7. Analyze your analytics like a pro, or what I call the feedback loop. Listen, I can't say this enough. Your YouTube studio is your Bible. Don't just look at views. Dive into CTR, average view duration, audience retention curves, returning viewers. This is where the algorithm's telling you what it thinks of your content. Diagnose problems. Did your last video have a high number of impressions but low CTR? Your title or thumbnail isn't intriguing enough. If it's a case of high CTR but a steep drop-off in retention early on, your hook is weak or content isn't delivering fast enough. Iterate constantly. You won't hit it out of the park every time. Aim for 1% improvement with each video, based on directly on your previous video's analytics. This is how sustained growth happens. Now you've heard the 7 powerful strategies, but remember that critical mistake I mentioned earlier? Here it is. The number 1 mistake most creators make is neglecting their YouTube analytics after publishing. Many creators glance at their overall views, maybe their subscriber count, and then move on to the next video idea. But your YouTube analytics dashboard is where the algorithm is talking directly to you, telling you precisely what worked, what didn't, and why. If you're not deeply analyzing your click-through rate, your average view duration, and especially those audience retention curves, identifying exactly where viewers are dropping off, you're essentially publishing into a void. You're guessing what your audience wants, you're missing the golden feedback loop, and you're leaving millions of potential views on the table. Ignoring this direct feedback from the algorithm is like having a treasure map and refusing to read it.
The 2025 YouTube algorithm isn't a complex, hostile force. It's a hyper-intelligent, rapidly evolving system designed to reward creators who focus relentlessly on one thing, making viewers happy and keeping them on the platform. My challenge to you is this: stop fighting the algorithm. Start creating for your audience, understanding these inputs, and watching your analytics. By doing so, you'll find that the algorithm isn't just recommending your videos, it's actively propelling your channel forward. If you found this deep dive valuable, give me a like. It's a direct signal to the algorithm that this content worked. And for more actionable strategies on how to diagnose and improve your analytics, check out this video right here. Go out there and make something truly impactful. I'll see you in the next one.